Welcome back to Bachelor Cove series Rosie Reborn. I'm Christina, and today I'm here with my Girl Scout troop on Big Mamie. Today we're in the carpentry shop and we're going to be grabbing the teak wood that we have to mount on the USS Joseph P on the bridge wings. Last year we spent a lot of time restoring the wood and we stained it. So this is some of the wood. What it looks like now. Let's get to work. Now we're on the starboard side of the Kennedy's bridge wing, and we have brought all of the teak wood up here, so now it's time to install it. So we've just placed the screws in and we put the nuts on the bottom of the wood using a Phillips head screwdriver and a ratchet. And this is how it came out on the starboard side wing of Kennedy. Look how beautiful that teak wood is. Now we're on the port side of the Kennedy's bridge wing and we're mounting the wood on here. Applying all of the teak wood along the port side bridge wing of the USS Joseph P, and it looks amazing after all the hard work that we've done on it with staining it and bringing it all the way down to Big Mamie's carpentry shop, which is where we actually worked on the teak wood, which is super cool because we got to kind of experience like working as a carpenter on Big Mamie. But yeah, we have finished both sides of the bridge wings and we're pretty proud of it. Thank you everybody for watching Bachelor Cove series Rosie Reborn. This series is meant to show ways that youth can get involved in preserving their history right here at Bachelor Cove. If you want to become a volunteer here just like me, make sure you email City Valentine, that's svalentine@bachelorcove.org.